Many people have seen some of the wildfowl shown in this picture, but few have had the opportunity to study them in slow motion. First, meet the little Western Sandpiper. Not big or spectacular, but a nice fellow. The Dowager, or robin snipe, is a valuable insect destroyer. Watch him get that bug. The marbled Godwit is also an interesting creature. The avocet is one of the largest and most showy of all American shorebirds, also destroying many insects harmful to agriculture. Fortunately for its own welfare, it does not make good eating. The Willett, once very plentiful, is now one of our rare shorebirds. Watch this pair alight, like a team of graceful ballet dancers. Here's the Canvasback Duck. Its widely webbed feet are used for more than just paddling. These Redhead Ducks are very closely related to the Canvasbacks, but they have larger and rounder heads and much shorter bills than their cousins. Sometimes his self-starter seems a little cold. Both the Redhead and the Canvasback breed as far north as Alaska and winter as far south as Mexico and the West Indies. Another variety, the Pintail. This mother seems very proud of her large family. The drake of this species is an attractive bird, and although the pintails are among the shyest of all ducks, they are probably the most widely distributed. The fast and spectacular takeoff of a pintail drake is a sight to see. The pintail feather gives him his name. The shoveler drake is also a handsome duck. Poetry of motion combined with the enchantment of color. The Scaup, or broadbill. In some sections, he is also known as the bluebill. Slow motion vividly portrays the technique of the takeoff. This might be called walking on air. The Scaup is found all over North America. One of its regular wintering grounds is within the city limits of New York. Often as many as 50,000 spend the winter in Flushing Bay. These two handsome bald-pate drakes fly behind and beside the female until she chooses one of them for her mate. The blue-winged teal. No water walking for him. He can leave all other ducks far behind and is said to be able to fly at a speed of 90 miles an hour. Ducks are not normally quarrelsome, but sometimes the presence of a female starts a real battle, as this one between two blue-winged teal drakes. Here, 9 ambitious drakes pay ardent court to a single female. This bald pate, or American Wigeon, takes off with a hop, skip, and a jump. He really climbs into the air. As his flight progresses, he gradually draws up his landing gear. Like most of our other ducks, the bald pate, or American Wigeon, is a great traveler. They may spend the nesting season in Alaska and go as far as Central America or the West Indies in the winter. In the Atlantic, they have been known to travel as far as Bermuda, the Azores, and the British Isles. In the Pacific, the Hawaiian Islands, even Japan. They are very shy birds, and when alarmed, fly off with a constant, melodious whistling call. The most noble game bird of all is the Canada goose. This female is on her nest. When she leaves to get food, an opportunity presents itself to get a closer look at her family. And what a nestful of fuzzy little goslings she has. The Canada goose is a big bird, weighing from 8 to 11 pounds. Occasionally, an old gander may weigh as much as 14 pounds. In spite of his powerful wings, which sometimes reach a spread of 3.5 feet, the Canada goose does not get into the air rapidly. Once in flight, he is a powerful and tireless traveler. There is no more thrilling sight than a great V of migrating geese, silhouetted against the wind-blown clouds of an autumn sky. Canada geese mate for life and do not change partners every year, as most birds do. They are always a devoted pair, and only death separates them. The beautiful snow goose is sometimes called the white brant or the wavy. When a large flock of snow geese come winging in, it's a rare sight to behold. The great white pelican, big, immaculate, with the ponderous dignity of a newly appointed judge. Birds are essential because they help to maintain nature's balance wheel. We hope that this picture will serve to increase your understanding and interest in their conservation, for wildfowl contribute much to the pleasure and welfare of mankind.